F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime at all.
Down here in the deep blue sea. F is for fire that burns down the whole town. U's for uranium bombs. N is for no survivors when you're...
Plankton. Those things aren't what fun is all about. Now, do it like this. F is for friends who do stuff.
Never. That's completely idiotic.
Here, let me help you. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. Try it!
N is for anywhere and anytime and all.
Down here in the deep blue sea.
Wait, I don't understand this. I feel all tingly inside. Should we start?
The next episode has arrived. Finally.
Deal.
Well, I like it. Let's do it again.
Okay. F is for
In
friends.
tonight's episode, we're going to draw Parasect.
U is for you.
Codenames the mushroom Pokemon. This bug and grass type
Here with my best buddy.
has a special mushroom on its back used to create potions and medicine. What a nice guy this man is.
We got Patrick Starr on the phone to talk about his rockin' new song, Under My Rock. Patrick, are you there?
Hello?
This is Albert Corey on WH2O, and you're on the air.
Hello?
Can you turn your radio down?
Hello?
Can you turn your radio down?
It's really hard to hear you, Al. Could you turn your radio down? Turn your radio down? Yeah, I heard you the first time.
Patrick, you turned the volume up. Turn it the other way.
What?
Okay, we're experiencing some technical difficulties. We'll try to get
All
back
right,
to Patrick later. In the meantime, let's spin this tune
Here's his
where
upper
Patrick
half.
has gone in a bolder new direction. Under My Rock.
Here's his claws. Drawing the large mushroom on his back.
Way, way down deep beneath the sea. A place that's home, sweet home to me. There's nowhere like here anywhere. There's magic in the salty air. Take off your shoes, relax your mind.
I like the next song.
Stick your
I like the
hands
stop.
up.
And finished. This is how you draw Parasect. We drew the giant mushroom on his back. We got the pincers up and running. We got the giant claws. Everything's good to run.